As a small business owner, you have a lot on your plate. From managing employees to keeping track of finances, it can be overwhelming. One area that can often be confusing is banking. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and tricks to help you navigate the world of banking as a small business owner. Whether you're just starting out or have been in business for years, understanding the ins and outs of banking can save you time and money. We'll cover everything from choosing the right bank to utilizing mobile banking. So, let's get started. The first step in banking for small business owners is choosing the right bank. Do your research and compare different banks to find the one that best fits your business needs. Schedule a meeting with a bank representative to discuss your business goals and needs. Look for a bank that offers services specifically designed for small businesses, such as business checking accounts, merchant services, and business loans. Also, consider the bank's mobile banking options, as this can save you time and make banking more convenient. Once you've chosen a bank, make sure to read and understand all the terms and conditions before signing any agreements. Choosing the right bank is an important decision for your business, so take the time to make the right choice. Once you've chosen a bank, it's important to manage your business accounts effectively. Utilize online banking to keep track of your accounts and transactions. Review your bank statements regularly to ensure accuracy and identify any potential areas of fraudulent activity. Use mobile banking to deposit checks, transfer funds, and pay bills on the go. Schedule regular meetings with a bank representative to discuss your business needs and ensure you're utilizing all available services. Use a business debit card for purchases to easily track expenses and simplify accounting. Use financial reports provided by your bank to track your business's financial health and make informed decisions. Managing your business accounts effectively can save you time and money in the long run. As a small business owner, you may need to take out a loan or establish credit to grow your business. Schedule a meeting with a bank representative to discuss your business's financial needs and options for loans or lines of credit. Carefully review all loan documents and understand the terms and conditions before signing. Use mobile banking to make loan payments and monitor your credit score. Make loan payments on time to establish and maintain good credit for your business. Consider meeting with a financial advisor to discuss strategies for managing debt and improving credit. Regularly review financial reports provided by your bank to track your business's credit and financial health. Taking out a loan or establishing credit can be a smart move for your business, but it's important to do so responsibly and with a clear understanding of the terms and conditions. Finally, it's important to prioritize security and fraud prevention when it comes to banking for small business owners. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your online banking accounts. Review your bank statements regularly to identify any potential fraudulent activity. Work with your bank to establish fraud prevention measures, such as alerts for unusual account activity. Use a business debit card with fraud protection features, such as zero liability for unauthorized transactions. Keep sensitive financial information secure, such as bank account and credit card numbers. Consider meeting with a financial advisor to discuss strategies for protecting your business's finances and preventing fraud. Prioritizing security and fraud prevention can help protect your business's finances and reputation. We hope these tips and tricks have been helpful in navigating the world of banking as a small business owner. Thanks for watching.